Today, I have great news for both buyers and sellers. Hi, I'm Tammy Mercado, professional real estate agent with TheGeneGroup, providing you with the today's market update. Buyers, the good news is there are more houses currently on the market for sale than what there have been in previous months. So what does that mean? That means we need to go look at those houses and take action now so that you're not second in line. And sellers, your good news is that yes, there are more buyers out looking at homes. So what does that mean for you? That means you have to make sure that your house stands out above your competition. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, if you would like to learn some tips and tricks on how to get ahead of your competition, reach out to me with connectwithtammy.com.